Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking design decisions that shape the build. Pick S3 versus GCS or a self-hosted object store, and decide versioning and ACL behavior. Next, create a repository, add continuous integration, and scaffold infrastructure as code templates. Once done, provision a dev bucket and a minimal API gateway so you can push and test quickly. You will track metadata and storage classes early. This prevents rework. Make sure to include automated tests and a simple upload endpoint so the app becomes tangible immediately. You now implement the core, chunked, resumable uploads with server-side checksums and idempotency keys so clients can recover from failures. Build the API endpoints for upload, download, listing, and deletion. Once done, wire authentication and ACL checks into each operation. Make sure to store metadata separately from object blobs to enable fast listing. Also integrate optional server-side encryption and lifecycle policies to manage costs. Test concurrency and race conditions with automated load tests to validate correctness under real-world patterns. You finish by deploying using a blue/green or canary strategy so users experience no downtime. Once done, configure monitoring, alerts, and metrics for throughput, error rate, and latency. Implement lifecycle rules, backups, and optional cross-region replication to meet durability goals. Make sure to run end-to-end tests and failover drills. If something breaks, reproduce the failing upload, check server and client checksums, and inspect request logs for truncated chunks. This single troubleshooting step resolves most data corruption and resume issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.